LumaFusion versus InShot, which mobile video editor wins? Choosing the right mobile video editor can transform your editing workflow without frustration. LumaFusion offers advanced features, while InShot focuses on ease and speed. LumaFusion and InShot are two popular mobile video editors with distinct approaches. LumaFusion is a professional-grade editor with multi-track capabilities, while InShot delivers fast, user-friendly editing for casual creators. The core difference lies in power versus simplicity. LumaFusion is a comprehensive mobile video editor designed for professionals and serious creators. It supports multiple video and audio tracks, allowing complex layering and detailed editing directly on iOS devices. The app features advanced tools like color correction, keyframing, and support for 4K resolution. It works by providing a timeline-based interface familiar to desktop editors, making it ideal for users transitioning from traditional video editing software. Its strengths include powerful editing capabilities, high-quality export options, and robust audio tools. However, this depth comes with a learning curve and a higher price point, which might not suit casual users or beginners. LumaFusion is perfect for filmmakers, journalists, and content creators who need professional results on the go without relying on a desktop setup. InShot is a mobile video editor focused on simplicity and speed, making it accessible for beginners and casual users. It offers essential editing features like trimming, splitting, adding music, text overlays, and filters, all within an intuitive interface. InShot works by streamlining common editing tasks into easy-to-use tools, ideal for quick social media videos or personal projects. Its strengths lie in its user-friendly design, fast performance, and broad compatibility across Android and iOS. Limitations include fewer advanced features, lack of multi-track editing, and lower control over fine details compared to professional editors. InShot is best suited for users who want to create polished videos quickly without needing complex effects or extensive customization, such as social media enthusiasts, vloggers, and casual editors. Comparing LumaFusion and InShot highlights a clear trade-off between power and ease of use. LumaFusion excels in projects requiring detailed editing, multiple tracks, and professional-grade effects, making it ideal for content creators who demand precision and quality. In contrast, InShot shines when speed and simplicity are priorities, perfect for quick edits and social media content without a steep learning curve. For example, a filmmaker editing a documentary will benefit from LumaFusion's timeline and advanced tools, while a casual user creating Instagram stories will find InShot more convenient. Both apps support popular video formats, but LumaFusion offers high-resolution exports and more control. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize professional features or straightforward fast editing. Choose LumaFusion if you need a powerful multi-track editor with professional tools and are comfortable with a steeper learning curve. InShot is the better pick for quick, easy video editing on mobile, especially for social media creators or beginners. Both apps serve distinct needs, so select the one that matches your editing goals and experience level for the best results.